Hello, my dear student. Hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. This is our next video after your semester exam. Before semester, we have completed chapter work and energy. So in that chapter, we have done electric power, commercial unit of energy. So today we are going to discuss CBSE question related to that topic only. So before starting the topic, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. So let's see the question. Calculate the electricity bill amount for a month of 30 days if the following devices are used as specified. 2 bulbs of 40 watt each for 10 hours, 4 tube lights of 50 watt each for 10 hours, a TV set of 120 watt for 5 hours, given that the rate of electricity is rupees 2 per unit. So this type of question you will get 5 marks. So now before starting the topic, you know that we have done power is rate of doing work upon time or rate of transfer of energy also. In any question like here, the power is already given, but in some questions power is not given. The condition is given, person is going from one staircase to the other staircases and the top of the building. So in that case, we will calculate the work done by MGH formula. Or if anybody is moving, so we will use the formula half mv square. And then we will divide by time and we will get the power of the appliance. Now in this type of question, we have to calculate electricity bill or electrical energy consumption. So energy formula from here becomes power into time. Now this is the power of the electrical appliances and time. Joule is a very small unit for these type of consumption for commercial. Commercial means the electricity that is sold to our homes. So for that we will use kilowatt into power. Means for commercial unit of energy, power should be in kilowatt and time should be in hour. So in these questions, we will find out total energy. So let's see how to do these questions, and we have to calculate for 30 days. And what is the cost for 1 unit is given rupees 2. So first we will calculate the total energy consumed. And what is given? So E1. What is E1? E1 is the energy consumed by 2 bulbs. 2 bulbs. What is the power of 2 bulbs? Power is 40 watt. It is given 40 watt. So we will divide by 1000 to convert it into kilowatt. For how many hours it is operating? Time is should be in hours, so it is directly in hour. So it is working for 10 hours. This you have calculated energy consumed for 1 day. Now for how many days you have to calculate? 30 days. So multiply by 30. So in this question nothing new, you have to do direct multiplication. But you have to keep in mind that power should be in kilowatt and time should be in hour. So let us calculate this. So you will cancel out all the zeros. So what you have got? 4 3s are 12 and 24. So you have got 24 kilowatt hour. Means bulb's total consumption for 30 days is 24 kilowatt hour. Now let us calculate for tube lights. How many tube lights? 4. And what is the power of each? 50. Again divide by 1000. So because it is given in watt, for how much time? They are also operating for 10 hours. And for 30 days, we have to calculate it. 0 to 0 cancels. Again, so what you have got it here? 20 into 3. So you have got total consumption 60 kilowatt hour. 5 4s are 20 into 3, 60 kilowatt hour. Now what is the third appliance that is operating? TV set. One TV set is there. Power is 120 watt. Divide by 1000. For 5 hours the TV is running, and for 30 days. Till here it is for 1 day. Multiply by 30 for 30 days. If it is not given in the question, for 1 day only given, then leave this 30. So 0 cancel here. So now it is 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So it becomes 18 kilowatt hour. Now what is the total energy? E1 plus E2 plus E3. We want to calculate total energy because we want all the appliances together. So it becomes 24 plus 60 plus 18. So let us take what it will come. 12, 1, 8, 9 or 10. 8 or 4, 12, 1, 6 or 2, 8, 9, 10. So it comes 102 kilowatt hour. So this is the total consumption. But this question is still not over. What is left now? Till now we have calculated total energy only. अब हमें क्या निकालनी है? Next we have to calculate cost. Per unit cost is given 2 rupees. So we will do next part, that is to calculate the total cost. We know that 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. So therefore how many units total we are having? 102 kilowatt hour. So how many units? 102 units we are having. Clear this? Addition and multiplication you can check. If any correction is there, you can do by yourself also. I am doing 2 or 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is correct. So now 1 unit cost is rupees 2. 1 unit cost is equal to rupees 2. So we are want to calculate 102 units cost. So what you will do? 2 into 102. So multiply it 402. So we have got rupees 204 electricity bill we will get with these these values if it is given in the paper. So if you will get this type of question, you will get it as of 5 marks or 3 marks. If only one device is given, then you can get it into 2 marks or 1 marks also. But when different devices are given, so you will calculate their different energies, okay, and then their consumptions, and then you can add all the total energy of the device. 1 unit cost given, it is always there in the paper. So then we will calculate the total unit cost. 1 unit is 1 kilowatt hour. So that's why, and you can see this on your electricity bills also. Ki unit word is written. Unit word means commercial unit of energy. What does it mean? The electricity which is coming our home, that electrical energy. So we are paying for this electrical energy, and it is always in kilowatt hour. So like this you have to do practice, and you have to attend online classes now regularly, every student. So in online class also we will do some different CBSE questions. So you have to do practice of these type of question. Thank you and have a nice day.